workers that we see succeed in a shop like ours is not necessarily the most skilled right off the bat, but willing to learn, is super focused, is as interested as I was starting in manufacturing.
But I would say the majority of people that work in the manufacturing industry, especially in the machine shop world, don't have a degree.
I just read a report that over the next few years we're going to need 3.5 million people in manufacturing, so that's just going to show that their wages are going to go up. I would think somewhere like, at my shop it's going to be $30 an hour, $35 an hour.
Everything touches back to a machine tool. There is nothing. Show me a piece of fabric and I'll show you fabric making machine by Toyota. So I would say that the future of manufacturing in America is strong.
In less than a year, you can get started on a career in a classroom such as this one, and by the time some of your peers are finished with their college degree and have a big student loan, you'll already be making good money and affording that car that you want.
We find it very difficult to find skilled machinists and computer programmers for our machines. We're willing to hire entry-level employees and train them, and we've got a very comprehensive training program.
I didn't go to college. I went straight into construction, and then I went straight into machining. I started machining when I was 20 years old, and I fell in love with it because it was a trade that I knew that was going to be here forever.
Every shop, every person, every company I deal with is looking for people.